Hey y'all, it's Professor Walden here, and I'm here to talk to you about the Academy. So let's go. Who's it for? What is it? How much does it cost? Let's talk about the Academy. So the Academy is a brand new 6-week program that I've created just for some of you. What does that mean? It means that I have recreated a classroom setting online in order to help people pass their boards. So that means you are going to get lectures and check-ins and supplemental work, a lot of supplemental work, to make sure that you know these disease processes and that you are grasping these concepts before you ever set foot into taking your board exams. My goal with this is to ensure that you are very strong at what you know and that it really comes naturally to you. So not only are you going to take your board exams, but that you're going to go in and you're going to treat your new patients and you're going to be like, I've got it. I remember. I studied this. I know exactly what to do. So these classes are online. You will do them from the comfort of your own home. There is work that has to be done. You will not be successful, and I cannot guarantee you that pass unless you absolutely do the work. So that supplemental material up to and including lectures with me, case studies, fill in the blank, anything that you could imagine that I could test you on is what I'm going to test you on. I want to make sure that you know exactly what you know and need to know before you take your board exams. So how do you know that this is for you? Well, this is for recent graduates. So someone who maybe just feels like they need that classroom setting, because there's some of us out there like that, right? Some of us need to be in a classroom with our peers. We need to be learning the same thing at the same time when we really don't know what we're talking about. We need to be at that same point and building that community and that camaraderie. This is for you if that's you. If you've taken your board exam, maybe once or twice, or maybe even more than that, and you didn't do well, but you're ready to tackle it again and you're ready to do the work, this is for you. And maybe you're university faculty and you said, this sounds amazing. What if I could get my school to give this to our entire graduating class? Yes, this is for you too. That is what the Academy is. So you will do the classes at your own time. We are going to self-pace you through it. And then it's going to be me and my team holding you through this entire process until you get that pass paper in your hand. I am so excited for you to join us. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. How much is this going to cost? This Academy program and all its frills and bells and whistles is going to cost $697, but we have payment plans. It's going to be $174 per payment. Right? So again, we've made this affordable. There is absolutely no reason that anyone cannot join the Academy if they think they need to. So again, if one of these fits you, maybe you just need to be in a classroom setting. Maybe you just need to be with your peers. Maybe you just want someone to help guide you through it and study through this whole entire process, pointing you in the right direction with extra work to make sure that you know the material. This is for you. I cannot wait to see you in there. The Academy is launching soon. It's going to be exciting. It's been my baby for the last year, and we're excited to present it to you. Again, all I've ever wanted to do is to grow our network and grow together. I can't wait to see you in there, and I hope that you'll join me. All right, guys, that's the Academy. Hope to see you soon.